Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's question on arrays topic is convert array into zigzag fashion. The question states that given an array of distinct elements of size n, rearrange the elements of array in zigzag fashion. The converted array should be in the form a less than b greater than c less than d greater than e and so on. The relative order of elements is same in the output, that is, you have to iterate on the original array only. Let's have a look at the examples. In example 1, the size of the array is 7. The input array is 4378621 and the output array is 3748261. So as we can see in the output, we can observe that the elements at even location are less than the elements to its left and right. That is, the element 3 is less than 7, the element 4 is less than 7 and 8. Similarly, the element 2 is less than 8 and 6. Let's consider example 2 where the input array is 1432 and the output is 1423. So as we can see, the elements at even location, which are 1 and 2, are less than its surrounding elements. So now let's have a look at the approach to solve this particular problem. Let's consider the same example as given in the question where the size of input array was 7 and the array elements were 4378621. The right side of the screen shows the algorithm where we first traverse the array from first element to the last second element, that is from I is equal to 0 to I is less than n minus 1. And at each traversal we check whether if the index I is even or odd, and if it is even then we check for the condition if a of I is greater than a of I plus 1. Since 4 is greater than 3, therefore we swap a of I with a of I plus 1, that is we swap 4 with 3 and increment I. Again we check for the condition whether I is even or odd. Since I is odd, therefore we check for second condition where a of I is less than a of I plus 1. And since 4 is less than 7, therefore we swap 4 with 7 and increment I. Now I points to the even index, therefore we check the first condition, which is a of I is greater than a of I plus 1. But since 4 is not greater than 8, therefore we check the second condition where I is equal to I mod 2 is equal to 1, which means I is odd. But since I is not odd, therefore we simply increment I. Now I points to the odd index, therefore we check the second condition, which is a of I is less than a of I plus 1. Since 8 is not less than 6, therefore we simply increment I. Now I points to the even index 4, where we check the first condition whether 6 is greater than 2. And since 6 is greater than 2, therefore we swap a of 4 with a of 5 and increment I. Now I points to the index 5, which is odd. Therefore we check for the condition whether if a of I is less than a of I plus 1. Since 6 is not less than 1, therefore we increment I. Now we check for the condition whether if I is less than n minus 1, but in this case I points to the location n minus 1. Therefore we exit the for loop and we have our output array as 3748261. So now let's begin with the actual code. The driver code is already given, we just need to complete the function zigzag whose arguments are the array A and the size of the array, which is n. So as we have seen in the explanation part, we first traverse the array from I is equal to 0 to I is less than n minus 1. And at each traversal, we check whether if the index I is even or odd. And if the index is even, then we check for the condition whether if a of I is greater than a of I plus 1. And if so, then we swap a of I with a of I plus 1. And similarly we check for the condition whether if I is odd, and if I is odd then we check whether if a of I is less than a of I plus 1, and in that case also we swap a of I with a of I plus 1. And finally after the for loop we return from the function. And that's it, we are done with the code, we can compile it. The code is compiled successfully, so we can submit. And our code got submitted successfully. If you found the video helpful, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such upcoming videos on must-do coding questions for interview preparations. Thank you.